Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this type of page. Here, the first thing you have to do is take your photo. After taking a photo, you will see many options are displaying on the right side of your screen. From these options, you have to simply look for this clock icon and tap on it. You can customize it and choose how many seconds you want other person to view. For example, I will set it to 3 seconds. After that, simply select to send to the person you wanted to send the picture of. So that's basically how you can send one-time view pictures on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.